Yeah. Yes. Something about the air right after snow. It feels so fresh and crisp. And crunchy. Alright, so happy Vlogmas! Today, I'm going to be putting up these snowflakes somewhere around the house, and we're gonna make some sweet potato cinnamon rolls. I've been so excited to try this recipe ever since I realized we had a lot of sweet potato filling left over from Thanksgiving. So that's been defrosted and ready to put in these cinnamon rolls that I'm making from scratch for the very first time. So yeah, hopefully they turn out good. I finished up some snowflakes this morning, and it's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon now. So I'm gonna put these snowflakes in a corner somewhere, because I think it would be more magical if I was like putting the snowflakes up and the house is full of the aroma of these yummy cinnamon rolls. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so initially I was a little intimidated by this project because I have to use some active yeast, which I haven't used this since a science project that I had in middle school where we had to bake bread. So yeah, but it's really just, that's my milk and butter that I'm going to add this to, and then we let it sit, and that's just it. Like it's nothing too crazy. But yeah, this is not a tutorial because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I'm just gonna record some bits. I'm just gonna record some bits and put the link in the description to the recipe. It's not foaming. Oh. So it's supposed to foam after 5 minutes, and it's not doing what it needs to do. And it's probably because I put almond milk in it. So I'm kind of afraid that like the oil in the almond milk probably messed it up. So I'm about to try again with the yeast. This is why I was worried. Well, I have one more pack left. So hopefully this one works. I'm still watching Stranger Things because I really wanted to watch the last episode of, or episode 4 of the new season, but my husband takes forever to watch something, so I have to wait until he gets in the mood to want to watch it again. I am a binger. I love to binge. Obviously, as you can tell, I've rewatched the whole series in like 2-3 days. So yeah, hopefully tonight he'll be ready to watch it so I can like get it off of my mind until Christmas when the next installation comes out. But I figured maybe it was, well, first off, I don't keep whole milk, but I do keep heavy cream, and we keep almond milk. So the first batch I used half heavy cream and half almond milk, but I think to substitute for the milk, but I think the oil and the almond milk threw off the balance of the mixture. So this time I just did half water, half heavy cream, and then added the butter. So I'm kind of waiting for it to cool down because it says warm, not hot, and it's still pretty hot. I don't know. No more snow. Okay, so it was definitely my fault. I didn't realize that the recipe said half a cup of milk, and I was putting 1/4 cup. So I added another 1/4 cup of milk. Well, heavy cream water mix. And I think it's starting to foam already. So leave it alone. Yeah. I'm starting to foam, right? God, why? This recipe is already trying to take me out. Okay, I think it worked this time. It looks foamy to me. Let's see, can you tell? Yeah, I mean, look at this. Yeah, definitely foamy. Ah, thank goodness. Okay, let's continue. Now I add it to this stuff in here. And start adding the flour. Not sure what he meant by greased bowl, but I just had this plastic bowl and I got some butter and smeared it. So I'm gonna take this, put it in there, and then let me stop messing with it. Let it rise for an hour and cover it with a clean kitchen towel. I'll be back in an hour. Okay. I don't know if it's double in size, but Does feel kind of fluffy.
Yeah.
Squishy. And squishy.
Yeah, and let's go
wow.
out of the pool and put it here. Roll it up.
Okay. Chop it. Goodness, you just stretching out.
Yeah, because I'm good. Hold on tight.
Ooh, proofed. Little awkward ones.
Here, in the bed.
In here.
In the bed. So, that's what's cute. That's why other cute live. That's just mommy.
Oh, snap. Time to taste it. Make it away. Let's see. Oh, God. Oh, snap. Looks pretty good, I think. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, yeah.
For the center first.
Mm-hmm.
She's over there having a good time.
Okay, here's. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let me see that in the middle. Oh, oh,
Let's start off with a wall piece.
oh my god.
Can't do sex.
Well.
Okay.
This looks so good.